Welcome to EduSeek AI. To get started, create your account by clicking the Become a Tutor button in the top right corner of your homepage. When the application opens, fill in your basic information, add your qualifications, and complete the identity verification step. You'll also be asked to set your default tutoring rate. This rate will be used for student live support requests. For individual AI courses, you can set custom rates later as needed. After submitting your application, the EduSeek AI team will review it. Applications are reviewed daily, and approval typically takes no more than 24 hours. Once you've been approved and logged into your tutor portal, the next step is to create your first AI course. Go to My Courses and click Create a New Course in the top right corner. Fill in the course details. While some fields are optional, we recommend adding as much information as possible so that students clearly understand what your course offers. When you're done, click Create Course. Please note that your course cannot be published until you create at least one AI tutor within the course. To do that, open your newly created course. In the left-hand menu, select AI Tutors. Then click Create a Tutor in the top right corner. Once your AI tutor is created, your course can be published and made available to students. You can create as many AI tutors as needed within a single course. When you're ready to support students live, make sure the Your Live toggle is turned on. You can find this switch in the top right corner of your home dashboard. When enabled, you'll receive push notifications on both mobile and web, as well as text messages whenever a student sends a live support request. We also recommend enabling a free onboarding call to attract more students and recording short introductory videos for your courses to help you stand out. If you have any questions, feedback, or run into any issues, you can always contact us by clicking the round blue button in the bottom right corner of any page. That's it. You're now ready to start teaching, earning, and supporting students on EduSeek AI. Happy tutoring!